YouTube has warned creators of subscriber count declines amid purge of closed accounts. So some people noticed that the main channel Unbox Therapy lost 100,000 subscribers, and they said, "You're done! Get out of my face, Lou. You're done!" Finally.
I said that.
Yeah, that's what you said. That's what you said. They were like, "Yes! I knew it! Hate that guy." And I was like, you know, good point.
Fair enough.
Yeah, fair enough. It's your call. You go. Do what you got to do.
Yeah.
Yeah, I hate to break it to you. That's not what this is about. In fact, a lot of people are going to see this. So here's the warning. If you didn't see it inside of your creator studio, I guess they tweeted it out, but a lot of people kind of miss this stuff. And some people go crazy with this stuff because they track it. And it actually does affect people that are on the cusp of certain features on the site. You have to hit kind of thresholds to get certain features on the site. And if you're close and you're working hard, and then all of a sudden it's a purge take place, and you say to yourself, it's right there.
Yeah.
Can't be taking these subscribers away from me. It's my guys and girls, both. So people always get fired up about it, although it has become somewhat more routine, and it's good to see the communication about it so people just don't look at it and wonder, am I dead? Google, I rely on things.
Yeah.
What are these lights?
Yeah.
Willie Do? What you think? Willie Do is free? This man ain't free. Kidding me? This guy, Escobar over here. Rightfully so. It's Escobar over there. Rightfully so. Yeah, that's Pablo money. Right across there.
Yeah.
This void in the middle here. Kirk's not happy
I
about.
have to burn money to heat up my family.
You're running these lights, burning bills. Each one of them is combusting $100 bills in order to provide us with light. That's how this show works.
Such a crazy story.
So yeah, so they give the warning, which I think is good. Communication is good in this part. The new numbers, subscriber figures, are going to show up in YouTube Analytics in December 3rd through 4th, those adjustments. Maybe we'll lose more than 100,000 subscribers. Obviously, the bigger your channel, the more subscribers you're going to lose because presumably there will be more closed accounts over time. Also, older YouTube channels will probably lose more subscribers as well. So if you see that happen to your favorite channel, just realize this is the cause and there's no greater cause for concern. Although some people speculate, because you've always got the conspiracy types in there and people wondering what's actually going on. What constitutes a closed account? Did they tell us? How long since you last logged in? Or how long since you watched a particular subscription? What does it all mean? And so some creators that are nervous are asking their viewers to go and check their subscription status and resubscribe in order to ensure that they're not part of the purge, however it is that operates. You see it every so often. A person says, I didn't unsubscribe, but then I was unsubscribed. You see it every so often. Right. It hasn't happened to me personally where I'm subscribed to a channel and that takes place, but you can check for yourself, see how it all works. But that, at least in our case, explains the minus 100,000 subscribers that took place. But pushing us a little further back, Will, from 16 million, which is going to be it's a crazy milestone for Unbox Therapy. I should just say, shout out to everybody, because I'm assuming anyone who's here watches Unbox Therapy, and that's a crazy, that's a crazy thing. I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Crazy, eh?
I mean, how did this? I don't know. Start? How do you?
You talking in front of.
It's okay. I don't even think you want to actually. I don't know that you actually want to try to untangle that, because it's a little wacky. It's a little wacky tobacco as far as I'm concerned. You just do what you got. You just do the thing that you know.
Yeah.
Your best vision of a path. You travel the path. You find the fork. You take the fork. You take the next. It's a whole thing.
Well said.
Yeah. I think it was Was he with a fork? Robert Frost was the fork. So I just quoted him word for word, in case you were wondering. He said, you take the thing, you turn a left, you take the thing, you go down the back alley over there, and then you take the back roads.
Yeah.
And
then you're
and once you're on the dirt road, you're on the right one.
yeah.
Yeah,
And you
that's
got
what,
16 million subs.
you have 16 million subscribers. That's the user manual for how to YouTube. You take the thing, you do the thing, you go behind the thing.
YouTube 101.